everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make moi moi with lentils. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. Here I got some lentils which I will be using. Lentils are legumes. They are packed with nutrition. They contain protein, fiber, minerals, and more. And they are super delicious. To begin, I will soak the lentils for at least 30 minutes. Lentils comes in different colors. For moi moi, I like to use these orange ones. They are very easy to use and also versatile. Next, I will be using cayenne peppers, bell peppers, onions, salt, nutmeg, crayfish, seasoning powder, eggs, fish. I'm using salmon fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will transfer the fish inside oven safe plate. I will be grilling the fish in the oven. However, you can also steam the fish if you prefer. It's totally up to you. And you can also use any season of your choice to season the fish as well. I will brush them together and I will grill this fish at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So the fish is out of the oven. I'll leave it to cool down. Next, I'll add some water to the eggs and I'm gonna be boiling the eggs for about 15 minutes. Once the eggs are ready, I'll transfer them inside ice cold water to stop the cooking process. And I'll go ahead to peel the eggs and use egg slicer to slice the eggs. You can also use a knife to cut the eggs as well. And that is done. I have the peppers, onions, clean, ready for blending, and that is nicely blended. In a pot, I will add half a cup of avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, I'll add some diced onions. Give it a stir and fry the onions for about 3 minutes. Next, add the blended pepper mix. Bouillon powder, salt, crayfish, and I'll stir. I'll be cooking the pepper for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. So here is a stew. The stew is be cooking now for about 15 minutes. As you can see, the oil have settled on top. That means the stew is ready. So I'll take that off the heat. Lentils is be soaking now for a while. It is time to rinse. I will transfer that inside a strainer and rinse it. So for lentils, it doesn't contain any skin to take out like other beans. So all you need to do, soak it, rinse it, and it's good to go. So it's time to blend. I will transfer the lentils inside a blender. I will add the stew, which will take the moi moi to another level of deliciousness. I will add enough water to blend. You can use this moi moi recipe to make moi moi with any other beans of your choice. I'm gonna blend it until it is nice and smooth. Next, I'll transfer the blended beans paste inside the bowl. Crack in 2 eggs, and this is totally optional. If you don't like eggs in your moi moi, you can skip it. And I will grate in nutmeg, and this nutmeg is gonna take this moi moi to another level of deliciousness as well. The aroma the nutmeg is going to give moi moi is out of this world. I will mix it until everything is well combined, and at this point you can taste it for seasoning and adjust it if needed. And I'm gonna add in some more water. So for moi moi, you want to mix the paste to be light, because when moi moi is cooked and it cools down, it hardens up. Next, I will brush the ramekin bowls with some oil to prevent the moi moi from sticking to the plate when the moi moi is ready. You can also use any plate of your choice. You can use moi moi leaves, you can use plantain leaves, you can use any other container you feel comfortable using to pack the moi moi. So next, add the moi moi paste inside the plate and leave some space in the plate. Do not fill it up, because the moi moi will rise when it's cooking. Next, I'll add the fish. So you can also mix the fish together with the moi moi paste. I like to add it at this point so I can control how many pieces of fish goes into each plate. And I'll add the boiled eggs. At this point, you want to make sure you already have water in the pot boiling. So we're going to cover, and I will transfer it inside a pot. So I'm using a steamer pot. You can use any pot of your choice. All you have to do is to place a rack in there to elevate the plate so that the water will not enter the moi moi. And I'll be cooking this moi moi for about an hour until a spoon inserted in it comes out clean. Second method, I will brush the plate with oil so the moi moi can come out easily when it's ready. And I will add the moi moi paste and leave some space so the moi moi can rise. Add the salmon fish. So if you are using any fish that contain bones, you need to debone the fish before using it. And I'll use a spoon to push those in. Next, I'll add the boiled eggs. And I'll cover with foil. I'll be baking this moi moi in the oven for about an hour until a knife or a spoon inserted comes out clean. Next, the lentils moi moi is be cooking now for about an hour. I will check if they are ready. I'll use a table knife to check, and once the knife comes out clean, that means the moi moi is ready. I'll cover it, leave it to cool down a bit before serving it. And the oven baked lentil moi moi is ready as well, and food is ready. It's time to mukbang. I'm going to be enjoying this lentil moi moi with pap. You can enjoy it with custard oatmeal, rice, anything of your choice. And this moi moi was very, very delicious, and it smells amazing. Soft, just the way I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.